Meanwhile, a big political war has broken out about one of the key comments made by the Prime Minister in his address at the Kargil War Memorial. He had slammed the opposition for trying to politicize the Agniveer issue. He had said that the opposition is spreading lies and indulging in rumor mongering on a sensitive issue. Now we've got reactions from the opposition who have hit back over the Prime Minister's Agniveer's defense. The Congress has called the scheme a short-term crash course. Listen into first what the Prime Minister said and what some of the reactions that have come in on that.
मैं तो हैरान हूं कुछ लोगों की समझ को क्या हुआ है, उनकी सोच को क्या हो चुका है। ऐसा भ्रम फैला रहे हैं कि सरकार पेंशन के पैसे बचाने के लिए ये योजना लेकर आई। मैं जरा ऐसे लोगों की सोच से शर्म आती है, लेकिन मैं ऐसे लोगों से पूछना चाहता हूं, जरा कोई मुझे बताए आज मोदी के शासनकाल में जो भर्ती होगा क्या आज ही उसको पेंशन देना है क्या? उसको पेंशन देने की नौबत 30 साल के बाद आएगी और तब तो मोदी 105 साल का हुआ होगा और तब न भी मोदी की सरकार होगी। क्या मोदी जब 105 साल का होगा 30 साल के बाद जो पेंशन बचेगा उसके लिए मोदी ऐसा राजनीतिक है जो आज गाली खाएगा? क्या तर्क दे रहे हैं?
Modern armies require fully trained commissioned officers who are well versed in technology. Modern warfare will be technology oriented. The Agnipath scheme does not train the inductees in modern technology. It's a short-term crash course and it's not a full commission. It is in no way helps a professional modern army, and in fact the government is indulging in this scheme only because it wants to save money by not giving the full benefits for commissioned soldiers and officers. So this scheme does not fulfill the needs of a modern army fighting a modern technological warfare in the 21st century.
जिनकी जानकारी नहीं है ऐसे बोलते रहते हैं। कितनी देखिए, हम विपक्ष में रह के ये नहीं, हर मुद्दे पे हम क्रिटिसाइज करने नहीं आए हैं। जो अच्छा है हम बोलेंगे, मगर इसमें बहुत बड़ा खतरा है, इनको समझ में नहीं आ रही। एक नौजवान को हम बंदूक ये वो समझा देते हैं, कहाँ कहाँ अपने सेंटर जानकारी हो जाते हैं। 4 साल बाद उनको निकाल के आप वेला बिठा देंगे और जो अदर फोर्सेस जो उठते हैं, ये बच्चे खाएंगे कैसे, चलाएंगे कैसे घर? इनकी तजुर्बा नहीं है, कहीं तो चुबा है, इसीलिए तो लड़ाक पहुंच के ऐसा बोल रहे हैं। ये सच है, ये जानते हैं। हम किस लिए कह रहे हैं? कम से कम सुना करो, सोचिए और देश के भला में कुछ कदम उठाइए। ऐसे झूठे अफवाहें फैला के लोगों को बेवकूफ बना के फायदा कुछ नहीं होगा, देश का नुकसान होता है।
Let me go across to my colleague Mohit Bhatt joining me live at this point. Mohit, a big war has erupted over the Prime Minister's comments on Agniveer. The first time the Prime Minister has spoken on it in recent times, attacking the opposition for rumor mongering that's not got down well with the Congress.
Well, yes, in fact, Tanshu, we have seen that how Prime Minister Narendra Modi on various occasions have spoken about this, that how the Congress has neglected the modernization of our forces. And we know for a fact that how today also Prime Minister, while speaking on the anniversary of Kargil Vijay Divas, reiterated that. He basically stated that the Congress has been always politicizing our armed forces. And he also raised the issue of the Agnipath scheme, saying that our forces need young force. We need youngsters to join the forces. When our forces are being compared to the other countries in the world, we do not have young persons in our forces as comparison to the other countries, and hence it was need of the time. And many reports in the past, even by the experts, have stated that yes, we need youngsters in our forces, and that is why Agniveer scheme was being brought in. But unfortunately, politics is being played on this particular issue. We know for a fact that how the opposition parties, specifically the Congress and Rahul Gandhi, they have raked up the issue of Agniveer during the election campaign. They have stated that this is the betrayal of the youngsters of the country who have been preparing for the army's job for past many years, who want to serve in the army, and that particular chance is being taken away by them. To respond to that, we have seen reactions coming in from the Congress party, where the Congress party basically says that the Agniveers which are being trained, which are being selected, they are not professional. It's just a part-time training that is being given to them. So we see a whole lot of politics being played on this particular issue. Various reactions are coming in from Congress and the other opposition parties, where they basically say that Agniveer is not good for the nation, while on the other hand, PM and other BJP leaders have been saying this, that the Congress should not politicize the forces. Agniveers will be given all the benefits even after their retirement from the army. So again, Prime Minister on one hand has given a message to Pakistan that infiltration and terrorism will not be tolerated, and a strong response will be given. On internal politics, on the other hand, Prime Minister have clearly said that on such issues, politics should not be done, and Congress has always been against modernization of our forces. Back to you.
All right. Thanks a lot, Mohit, for joining us with those details.